This video is about hardware detection system. AI, AI detects person with helmet, without helmet. So this is, I'm running two cameras for now. One camera is just showing my face, and the other one is AI camera. It detects my head. Confidence interval is 0.9, meaning that 90% sure he is not wearing a helmet. So I have only bicycle helmet. Let me put this thing on. Then it says helmet. About 90% sure he is wearing a helmet. So this one works. And I wanted to try with more typical ones. So I downloaded one video. So this one, so I ran the AI model with input video of this thing. And this is the output. So it detects helmet very well with confidence of 90% sure, 91% sure this one, the person is wearing a helmet. So basically it works. The inference speed was about 480, 640. So this one is middle-sized frame, makes inference about 4 times a second, about 300 milliseconds. So it runs about 4 times, yes, 4 times a second. So I developed this one to test AI infrastructure such as GitLab, Docker, edge device. So then I find that AI system, AI hardware detection system is actually in use in construction site and some manufacturing site. And those systems detect a person without helmet, in this case, just head, then AI system sounds alarm. It can be instead of sounding alarm, it can be sending emails, messages, etc., etc. So if this one has a real demand and malware, then I can fine tune the AI system a little bit further, and we can streamline the CI/CD data pipeline. Then it can be deployed to all malware plant if there's any demand. That's all for now. Bye.